The Kalibr missile, silent, stealthy, submarine-launched, and now at the center of Russia's looming retaliation against Ukraine. In the aftermath of Operation Spiderweb, a daring Ukrainian drone assault that destroyed multiple Russian aircraft and disrupted bomber operations deep inside Russian territory, Moscow is preparing to strike back. And the weapon it may choose for the job, the 3M-14 Kalibr land attack cruise missile. Originally derived from the Soviet-era Granat, the Kalibr is a product of decades of missile innovation by the Noviter Design Bureau. This missile is built for precision. Using a combination of inertial guidance, Russia's GLONASS satellite navigation, and terrain contour matching, the Kalibr hugs the ground and flies under radar, hitting targets with near-surgical accuracy. In its final moments, it activates radar or optical seekers to home in, whether on military infrastructure or civilian energy grids. And the threat isn't just conventional. Kalibr missiles are nuclear capable. There's no indication that Russia intends to use nuclear payloads now, but their presence in this system adds a layer of strategic ambiguity. First blood was drawn in Syria. The Kalibr was introduced to the world during Russia's military intervention there, where it was launched from ships in the Caspian Sea to strike targets hundreds of miles away. Since then, it has become a staple in Moscow's modern doctrine, especially for strikes meant to demonstrate reach and power without risking aircraft or revealing launch platforms. With its range exceeding 1,500 miles in some variants, the Kalibr's danger lies not just in where it can go, but how it gets there. Often launched from beneath the Black Sea by Russia's Kilo-class diesel submarines, nicknamed black holes for their near-silent operation, Kalibr missiles can travel close to the surface at just under Mach 1. They cruise low, using terrain to evade detection until impact. And now, those submarines are on the move. Western intelligence confirms increased naval activity at Russia's Sevastopol base. Kilo-class and newer Yasen-class submarines are reportedly being deployed to the Black Sea in greater numbers. These subs are equipped to carry Kalibrs, and they're being positioned within striking range of critical Ukrainian infrastructure. Ukrainian and NATO officials believe this signals an imminent retaliation. With Ukraine's drone strike having degraded long-range bomber capabilities, submarines offer Moscow a stealthier alternative. Submarine-launched Kalibrs can provide strategic surprise and plausible deniability, two factors Russia may now be counting on. According to Ukrainian intelligence, Russia may possess up to 400 Kalibr missiles in its current arsenal, with 100 to 200 ready for submarine launch. Since 2022, production lines in Russia have reportedly been ramped up. Despite sanctions and component shortages, Moscow appears to have maintained, even expanded, its cruise missile stockpile. But the Kalibr isn't unstoppable. Its subsonic speed means that advanced systems like the US-made Patriot or NATO's Aegis can potentially intercept it if they detect it in time. Still, detection remains a major hurdle. Flying just 65 feet above sea or ground level, Kalibrs are extremely hard to spot. And though GPS spoofing or jamming could disrupt its navigation, the missile's backup systems, including TERCOM, keep it on course even in denied environments. The real fear now is mass deployment. If Russia launches a coordinated Kalibr strike from multiple submarines across the Black Sea, Ukraine could see infrastructure damage at a level not witnessed since the first months of the full-scale invasion. Air defenses across Ukraine are now on high alert. From power stations to command centers, critical nodes are being reinforced. Kiev understands that the next blow may come not from the sky, but from the sea. In this tense moment, the Kalibr missile stands not just as a weapon, but as a message. Russia is signaling its ability to retaliate from depths unseen, from platforms undetected, with force calibrated for maximum disruption. The next phase of this war may unfold not on open ground or over contested skies, but beneath the waves, where missiles surface only when it's too late.